Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you so warm. Couldn't help but notice your boat from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, wakey till day, my tilde, hee hee. Unzip so baggy, his pants are baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail up for your boji woji. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. So I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
What the f- What? 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 Bro, why are we so ass? And it's the same amount of attempts as Dolos. What? It's literally the exact same. Holy fucking shit. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god!